So what's your good name?
My name is Stephen Gachanja Videl.
Oh, my name's Ed. So you've been hugging the tree since yesterday?
Yes.
You want to do 50 hours. You how many hours into the hugging now?
16 hours.
16 hours. Okay. And your parents have been here helping you out?
Yes.
Okay. How has the experience been?
Tough, but still good.
Still going on strong? What challenges have you encouraged? Have people encouraging you?
Yes.
Have you gone viral?
I don't know.
Uh-huh.
I can't say.
You can't say. Oh, so this video maybe might help you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Keep on going. Are people bringing you water or something?
No water. No.
Oh, you can't eat. Are you eating? You're not even eating. You're not going to eat for 50 hours.
Yeah. Next
30 something hours.
34 hours.
What? Good luck. All right.